Hi everyone! So the other day I received this gorgeous mix from BeeBeeCraft. You can see it has little rhinestones, clay pieces, some pearls in different sizes. And I just thought it was really beautiful. This is 50 grams. So if you ever wonder how much 50 grams is, this is a nice little stuffed baggie right here. It's probably about 4 inches tall and maybe like 2.5 wide. So I want to make it expand a little bit more. You know, this is a lot of sequins for $5 that they charge on their website. And I also have a coupon code with them, Nicole10, to save you 10% off of your purchase. So I figured, why not make this go a little bit further? So we are going to take just part of this mix and then add in some sequins from our own stash. Now, these little stars in the bottom of the cup are my favorite little sequin stars. These come from Hobby Lobby. So those always get kind of stuck to the cup. So those were left over from a different mix. So we're just going to take some of this and just pour it right on in there. That should be about good. Now let's see. That was probably like a quarter of the bag in there, maybe like a third. And there's still a lot left and there's still a lot in there. So we are just going to add to it, like I said, just to make it go a little bit further. So I know there's green in there, but I didn't really want to do a green sequence. So I have this, whoopsie, this red glitter sequence right here. I got this on clearance a couple years ago from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they still have this particular one now. So we are going to add some more red sequins in there. And then I really liked these gold sequins right here that are also glitter, but they're a really light gold. So that would be nice. So we're going to add some of that right on in there. And then because there is a lot of red and white, I got these on clearance from Michael's. They were 50 cents. So I'm going to use the smaller pack, I believe, because there is a large, a medium, and a small. So I think we'll just use the small one here. It's kind of the same size as the other sequins in there. So I think that might work. Let's see, how much of this do I want to put in there? Maybe half? Let's try that. Now let's mix it all up and see what it looks like. This is just a little straw that I got at Walmart that I cut down. So that's what it looks like in there. I think that's pretty good. You get like a nice little mix of everything. But I kind of feel like I want a little bit more white in there. So I'm going to dump the rest of this pack. Let's just dump all of that in there. Now let's mix it all up. Oh, you know what would have been really nice with this? You know how Dollar Tree sells the tube sequence? I think that would have been really pretty in here too. But that's our final little product right there. I think it came out pretty good. Just get a handful there. So you get a little bit of everything. Like I said, I didn't want it too green. So I feel like this is a nice little balance of the green little clay pieces. So let's go make a shaker and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like already in a shaker. Okay, so I decided to do the shaker on camera. I remembered I had this kit in my stash from last Christmas from Michael's. And there's some perfect little snowflakes in here. I forgot I wanted to pull out and add to the mix that we did. So I already pulled out one of the Christmas trees I think would work perfect with the green. And then there's a little green trees in there already. So we're just going to add, look how pretty these snowflakes are. So we're just going to go ahead and drop these in there as well. hopefully that'll look nice. That might have been too much. Let's see. Oh no, that goes perfect. Oh my gosh, those tiny little snowflakes are so cute. I wish they sold them just like that. Oh, those came out perfect for this mix. Look at how pretty this mix is, you guys. It's hard to explain how much is in here now. So I feel like we used a third of this bag, but we've more than doubled it by just adding in some more sequins to this. If I had tiny little gemmies like this one that it came with, I definitely would have added more of those. See, so here is the little pearl and gem that came in the package already. If I had more, I definitely would have added more of both of those. I think they're super, super pretty. So we went from this to this, and then now we are going to build our shaker right now. So this already comes pre-cut and it's sticky, but I do always add a little bit of extra glue just to reinforce everything. So let's go ahead and just peel off the top little layer there. And then I'm going to add some more glue just to make sure it is extra sticky and going to stay down. I mean, you don't need a whole lot. You don't need to put on the whole thing because, like I said, this is already sticky. I don't know. In my mind, I just feel like it's going to be more secure and stay. So let's just go ahead and let's try to line all of this up. I might need to pick it up so I can see it better. Let's see. I think we got it right there. Perfecto. Okay, so we have our base. Now we have our foam. Just give it a little bit of a press there. It seeped out just a little bit, so I'm just going to use my nail to kind of just clean up that extra glue. There we go. Now we are going to take some of our sequins mix right here. And let's fill this up. I think that should be pretty good. That should be more than enough. Oh, you know what? I think these larger pearls, yep. These larger pearls are actually too big. So I would have needed to use double foam to make those fit. But it looks like everything else will fit perfectly. Yeah, the little gemmies right here are fine. Those are not a problem. So there is our little filler. It just took one spoonful. So look, I have so much more to use. I could go ahead and put this into a container to send in some happy mail or use another spoonful for some more shakers. So let's see. So we need to make sure this is all down in there. And then we are going to remove this layer right here. I'm going to carefully take this off so I don't throw the sequins everywhere by mistake. Because knowing me, that would be something I do, is pull too hard and then my sequins goes flying everywhere. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take our glue. Like I said, you don't have to do it with this kit, but I want to just reinforce everything. And then now we are going to put our clear acetate sheet on next to seal this. So this kit was awesome. It already comes cut out. So we just need to go ahead and align everything and try to put it down evenly. Okay, there we go. Hopefully I got that right. feels like I did. So now that is all sealed in right there. And then this kit did come with the frame already, which I love. This kit made it so simple, which I love. I love easy, fast crafting. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, let's focus and finish here. So this one does not come with adhesive on it, I don't think, or did it? Oh my god, it did. Yes. Oh wait, did I lie? Nope. Yes, it did. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I wish I would have bought more of these kits. I think I got 2. I saw 2 in my stash. So again, it's sticky, but we're just going to add a little bit of glue just to make sure everything stays down perfectly. And then after this, you can go ahead and add more embellishments if you like on top. So let's go ahead and line this up. Boom, perfection. There we go. Look at our little mix, all nice and pretty in there. Ooh, I love it. So these were meant to be tags. So it has a little hole up here on top to go ahead and do that, but I'm just going to leave it as is for right now. Oh my gosh, I love how it came out. Look at how that mix came out. Oh my gosh, I love this so, so much. I could have probably put a little bit less, but I like it pretty full. So you could just go ahead and add like a little banner, a little Merry Christmas, add a little extra. So we went from this to this to this. Ooh, I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will leave a link down below to the website, to all the products from my haul, and also my coupon code Nicole10 to save 10% off of your order. And they do free shipping on $25 or more, which I think is super good. They do take a little bit of time because they are overseas. So I think this last order took 2 weeks to arrive, which is not bad at all. Definitely did not take a month, so that was amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.